Hello, this is Chemistry, the Central Science 11th edition. We are in Chapter 3, into the chapter questions. Question number 2. The following diagram represents a collection of elements formed by decomposition reaction. Okay, so decomposition is when something falls apart, and this is your products. Okay, that's what it said, products formed. So in your products, I've got, let's see, blue is nitrogen, red is oxygen. Okay, so I've got how many O2 molecules? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 O2 molecules. How many N2 molecules do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 N2 molecules. Now a decomposition means it's breaking apart. So I had to have something that was nitrogen and something that was oxygen. I don't know how many of each that I had, but one thing broke apart into something else. Well, how many of each do I have? I've got 3 sets of 2 for N. I've got 6 sets of blue for O. So what is the ratio? I've got 3 to 6. What is the empirical, which is the lowest ratio? 3 to 6 is the same as 1 to 2. Okay, so for every 1 N, I have 2 O's. All right, for every 1 N, I have 2 O's. Well, how many molecules do I need? Okay, how many molecules do I need if I have, or how many sets of O2 do I have? That's probably the better way. How many sets of O2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 sets of O2. Do I have 6 N's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I have 6 N's. So this is the original. The original that would have broken down into this picture would have been N and O. There's twice as much O, so my formula is NO2. Then I have to count and say how many N's do I have, how many O's do I have, and then realize that I have 6 of these molecules, 6 of them. Now, this is an excellent question because if you think about this, this helps you understand balanced equations. Balanced equations are simply Legos. I need enough Legos that when I break them all apart and put them back together without adding any or subtracting any, I'm going to get 3 double N's and 6 double O's. Well, you could put those toys right in front of you, break them apart, then put it together and say how many configurations where we have an N and an O together. All right, well, how much? Well, I've got twice as much O as I have N, then it must be O2, NO2. Now, how many of those NO2s do I have? Count them up, and you would have 6. All right, so this is the A part. If the blue spheres are N and the reds are O, what's the empirical formula? That's the lowest ratio of the formula is NO2. Could you draw a diagram representing the molecules of the compound that had been decomposed? Could you draw a diagram? Well, this is a diagram of the products. Okay, so what would the diagram of the reactants be? Okay, so N is blue. I'll make those solid circles. So I've got an N with a red and a red. I'm just making them symmetrical. I don't know exactly how they put together. And then how many would I need? I would need 6 of them. Okay. This would be a diagram. So this goes to this. They all break apart. The Lego sets break apart, and then they reconfigure. Okay, that's how you would do it. So yes, you could make a diagram, I guess.